good afternoon, and thank you for tuning in to Cooler Denim. I'm Tina, and this is my first video. I'm going to be making DIYs showing you how to revamp denim, whether it's old denim, new denim, blue denim, black denim. You're gonna learn how to revamp it and make something cool and creative out of it that's practical, that you can use every day in your home, like area rugs, curtains. I've created custom bags for me to carry. I've created earrings, pins, even shoes, like the ones I'm wearing today. Aren't these fabulous? Yes, comfortable. Denim wedges with Wonder Woman fabric. And I've actually had these about 2 years. I wore them 2 years ago on Mother's Day. Aren't they cute? Yes. And see, they bring your denim right alive. And no matter how old your denim is, you can revamp them. I've made purses out of jeans that I've had over 20 years, and the purse looks brand new. Nobody knows it. You wash it, you bleach it, you fade it, you rip it, you do all type of things to it and make it your own. That's the key. Well, if you think that you'll enjoy my videos, why don't you like and subscribe and give me 2 thumbs up? And just as a bonus, I'm gonna give you guys a brief tour of my creative corner where all the magic is gonna happen. You'll see how I got organized so that I can make the best creations. And all of my videos will be kind of simple. They'll be budget friendly. It'll be things that you can do yourself and bring some customization to your home. One of a kind pieces that people will be awed that you actually made yourself at home. So y'all stay tuned. Okay guys, this is my creative corner. And as you can see, it's right when you're coming into my home from the front door. This is my front door I'm standing at right now. So when you come in, it's the first thing that any guests see. Not that I have many, but for the ones that do get the privilege of coming over, this is the first room that they see. And it's actually a separate dining area, but of course I utilize it for my creative corner. And to start off, this is my nail station. And here I have all of my nail equipment, my nail dryers, my acrylics, my file. I have some nail art stuff, some more file attachments. Over here, there's some brushes to create designs. I have a little finger right here that I can practice on. And files, more files. Here are some bling, bling, bling for your nails, along with some gold. I have bows. I mean, you name it, I have it. There's some designer art, like Chanel. Who don't like a little Chanel? Louis Vuitton, Gucci. Anything you want, your girl got. I have all the colors of acrylic that you could dream of. Purple, which is one of my favorite colors, along with blue. Everybody that knows me know I love blue. Yes, isn't it beautiful? And then up here I have this wonderful, beautiful painting that I created. It is of butterflies in 3D. And I have all type of cool paper. Animal print, from glitter to neon, gold, silver, rainbow, metallic. I mean, you name it, I got it. Blue, pink. I mean, look at that, hot pink. I mean, I can't wait to start showing you guys what you can do with all of this wonderful, wonderful stuff. And over here, I just have some gift bags that I like to put a lot of my gifts in that I give away to people. Over this way is my heat press machine. This is how I actually apply the heat transfer to the t-shirts or bags, purses, pillows, you name it, whatever you want to design. I mean, the possibilities are unlimited, really. So this machine right here saves me a lot of time and helps me to do a lot of orders quickly. And right above it, I have this beautiful painting that I just created about a month ago, because I am a woman, and of course I'm inspired by women because we're wonderful. We do a lot. We have babies. We take care of the family. We go to work. We solve problems. We just do it all. So a woman can rule the world all while wearing a dress. I really believe that. So that's why I painted that. I made this wall art out of boards that I actually got from Dollar Tree. And I attached it to the wall with this silver chain. I thought that would make it stand out a little bit more. And then over here, I have this painting. This is another painting that I recently worked on. And I was trying to come up with something that could be a center focus point for my creative room and that could also describe me. And so what I came up with was this Dallas painting, because that's where I'm from. I've been here most of all of my life. I've lived in California for a little bit, but for the majority of my life, I've been in Dallas. And so what better way to show and represent myself than with a painting of where I'm from. And over here I have another board that I got from the Dollar General, I think, or Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree it is. And it says create, because that's what I do every day. And especially when I come into this room, that's what my focus is. My focus is to create something wonderful, something that other people will love, that will inspire other people. So that's why I created this. And again, it's that same print that I wrapped the board in. And then I also use the silver chain to hang it from. I have these cool black and white mini mirrors just to complement both of those. And I think they complement them very well. Over here, I have a painting that I did of myself, or an attempt of myself. I think I did pretty good. It's pretty close. But hey, you get the picture. And down below is some fabric that I just got in. I just got in this light fabric, light denim, and this dark denim. And I'm thinking about doing curtains with this and an area rug with this. An area rug maybe mixed with some fur. I think trim with fur would be different, cute, unique. And then I have some old denim mixed in with it, because I think I want to mix them together to get my pink curtains to match my pink decor. And then over here, I have some of my supplies and this beautiful station that I got from a good friend and client of mine. I just love it. It is a mirror. My mom used to love mirrors, so I definitely was attracted to it when I saw it. It's very, very beautiful. I have my supplies up here, as I stated, and like my pencils, my scissors, my clippies, pens. I have brushes for when I'm painting. I have rulers so I can make sure everything is on point. I have glitters to glam things up a bit. And I have paint for when I'm painting or just being creative, customizing things, jackets, denim. You can paint on denim. This is some crystal that I just received from Amazon today. Yay, Amazon. And I am actually gonna make a DIY showing me making a crystal beaded blind for my Denim and Diamond living room that's coming soon to a theater near you. Oh, my iron that I iron fabric with. And over here, I have a couple of denim purses that I created out of some old denim. So here's a little inspiration right here. This is an old denim jeans. Actually, those denim jeans that I made this purse out of were the denim jeans that went with these Wonder Woman shoes. I had a matching denim jean jacket set with the jeans and the jacket that had the Wonder Woman patches on it that went with the shoes. Well, I gained a few pounds, so I ended up turning those jeans into this purse. And then it has a different lining in the inside. As you can see, I have been wearing it because it needs to be washed. But that's okay. We gonna take care of it. And over here, it's a different color denim, a darker denim with a white design on them. And I actually created a purse out of that. And I added some button details to it, added a chain to it, and a little Velcro to it so it can open and close. And here's just another painting that I created for my room to go with the color theme. And a mirror that has one of my favorite sayings on it: in a world where you can be anything, be yourself. What a great motto to live by. And then last but not least, I have my wonderful fabulous mirror that keeps me looking fabulous. Make sure I look fabulous. It don't keep me looking fabulous. I keep me looking fabulous. I just check to make sure how fabulous I am in it. I'm not vain, y'all. I'm really just playing. And down here, we have my little friend. This is my little friend, Pretty Sis. Pretty Sis assists me when I am designing clothes. And she is a great assistant. She does not talk back, even though she does have glittered lips. But she don't want to mess them up, so she keep them closed. You know what I'm saying? And this is a cool little denim choker. And see, you can make these out of denim and chains. And we'll be having a DIY for that coming soon too. Y'all like that shirt? Yeah, my daughter asked me to make that. That's what I came up with. Y'all like that? I think it's kind of cute. I don't know where she thinks she wearing it to, but hey, where anybody wearing it to right now? Because we quarantined. So right now we're gonna go to my desk, and here's my sewing machine. This is my silhouette portrait. This is where I cut the designs out before they can be heat pressed onto the materials. Just some canvases and some wood arrows that I'm actually going to design maybe later tonight. So you'll probably be seeing a DIY on that too. Up here I just have more supplies. I have brushes to paint with, sticks to get corners out of pillows, masks, things like that. Here's my flask that I got from Vegas. And this jar right here, we have buttons galore. I have all type, all shape, all sizes, all colors of buttons in here that I customize things with, like that purse that I showed you a minute ago. And then last but not least, one of my favorite things in the room. It's simple, it's white. It's my father's Lifetime Memories book. He's no longer with us. He passed in 2007, and I was a daddy's girl to the T. So anybody that knows me knows I was a daddy's girl. So this is very special to me, and I had to have it in the room. It even matches everything. And it just brings his spirit in here. He was a creator. He liked to create things. He was a carpenter. He laid carpet for a living. So I think I got a lot of my creativity and my creative skills from my daddy. So to honor him and to keep me inspired, I have his memory book right there with me when I'm in here creating. Dallas, Texas, it's been real. Welcome to Cooler Denim channel. I hope I create a lot of wonderful things in this room that inspire a lot of wonderful people. Until next time, signing off.